Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Markel Nickerson, and since you've clicked on this video, it means that you wanted motivation on cleaning your laundry room. Well, my laundry room is quite unique. In fact, it is outside. I'm sure yours isn't, so yours may be cleaner than mine. Today was a very windy day. I did not plan that out very well. I was unaware that it was going to be this windy. All I knew, it was not going to rain, and that's all I cared about. So today's video, I am doing a time lapse, and I hope you enjoy.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, please subscribe if you want to see more content from me. And if you haven't already, please like this video if you got motivated. And other than that, I hope you're staying safe and stay hydrated. Bye!